In this video, we can talk about top 5 Vendasta alternatives.
If you are in the market for a new all-in-one business management solution and considering Vendasta, but would like to explore other options, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll go over the top 5 alternatives to Vendasta and compare their features to help you make an informed decision. The first alternative is Birdeye. Birdeye is a comprehensive platform that combines reputation management, listings management, social media management, and the customer experience in one place. It offers features like ticketing, benchmarking, surveys, insights, and others. Its standout feature is its AI-powered insights that provide businesses with actionable data to improve their online presence. Second one is GovOS. GovOS is a cloud-based software designed for government agencies and municipalities. It offers features like audit trail, licensing, code enforcement, and inspection management. Its standout feature is its ease of use, enabling government agencies to streamline their operations and provide better services to their citizens. Next one is Keap. Keap is a cloud-based all-in-one business management solution. It offers features like lead scoring, contact management, sales pipeline management, analytics, and reporting. Its standout feature is its customizable dashboard, which enables businesses to access the data they need to make informed decisions and improve their sales and marketing strategies. Fourth on our list is Thryv. Thryv is an all-in-one business management software designed for small businesses. Its features include CRM, appointment scheduling, social media management, and billing and invoicing. Its standout feature is its text and email marketing capabilities, which enable businesses to engage with their customers and improve their online reputation. Final alternative is Chatmeter. Chatmeter is a comprehensive reputation management platform designed for multi-location businesses. Its features include reputation management, social media management, local SEO optimization, and competitive analysis, which enables businesses to compare their online reputation against their competitors and take actionable steps to improve their presence. Compared to Vendasta, Birdeye offers more robust reputation management capabilities, while GovOS provides industry-specific solutions for government contractors. Keap is focused on small business automation and offers features like appointment scheduling and lead capture forms. Thryv is a more comprehensive small business management solution that offers CRM features, marketing automation, and online reputation management. Finally, Chatmeter specializes in local SEO and reputation management for multi-location businesses. If you're looking for an all-in-one CRM solution that offers both sales and marketing automation, we recommend Keap as the best option. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.